Are you guys ready to go?
Sure.
Are we doing just...
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah.
They call me Pounds, here I'm known as 9-7. 8 customs create, plus I rhyme. Great.
YouTube, welcome back to another 978 Customs video, and I almost forgot to review this guy. He was supposed to come along with the rest of the Deadpools, but I had him to the side. I got distracted with some other customs, but here it is, Venompool, one of many versions of Venompool at that. Without reading the bio, I believe this Venompool was first introduced during the Contest of Champions game. But then again, I don't know. Let me pull up a bio first before I misinform you guys.
A long time ago, in a forgotten corner of the contest, a wise, handsome, kick-butt dude became permanently duct-taped to a weird, alien venom thingy. Ugh.
That's not what happened.
Shut up, symbioid. I'm telling the story. Dang it. Lost my place. Oh well. Anywoozle, epic story told in haiku. Deadpool, Venom mix, smashed together, best friends, and chimichangas.
You must kill the Spider-Man.
Oh, Simbi, you're the funniest. You always crack me up.
As far as I know, he was specifically designed for Contest of Champions, but there have been other renditions of Venom and Deadpool merging together. There's Back in Black Deadpool, and there's the Venompool from the Venomverse. So there are a few different versions. But this one is probably the best looking one, other than Back in Black. This one looks pretty cool because it's menacing, it's big, and it looks like Venom. Couldn't find anything big enough to wrap around his torso, so I sculpted some straps, and I sculpted a strap in the back to hold that sword. I believe that sword belongs to, I forgot her name, Angela. Haha, there it is. I had a brain fart. But yeah, that's Angela's sword. Just ripped it off of her and then sculpted it and glued it onto Venompool in the back. Also, with the grip of her sword handle, I added a little bit of sculpt so Deadpool could fit it in his hand. Otherwise, it would have been too thin. But it does go inside like so. And I think it matches Deadpool's size. It's the biggest sword other than the Thor sword that Marvel Legends gives us. And I just think that the regular Deadpool katanas were too small to fit this guy. So I needed something a little more bigger. But this tongue does pop off. And it actually is magnetic. Originally, I was going to put a magnet in Toxin's mouth, or Venompool's mouth, and then have the tongue just be able to stick on and off. But let me show you really quick. It does stick really well. But I didn't have to put a magnet inside Venompool's mouth because the width of the tongue and the space between his teeth are pretty even. So I didn't need a magnet in there at all. I did have to shave down Toxin's teeth a little bit. When you first get it, it looks like a beaver or a gopher or a rat or something like that. So you gotta sharpen the teeth a bit. And I did add this little hood in the back of his head just to kind of give it a more of a Deadpool look, so it won't look like Toxin so much. Might as well put the tongue on and off. So it just fits right in. I kind of made a scratch mark on his tooth from the bottom of his tongue, but it does fit in perfectly without a magnet. And this kind of reminds me of this reference shot I found a while ago. So I kind of worked off that. And I seen the tongue was pink, but then in some other pictures I realized the tongue was actually black. So other than that, the tongue not being black, I think it looks kind of accurate. I think he's a little small. He could be bigger. If I ever do this again, I'll be honest, I'll do it on a Build-A-Figure. It has to be on a much bigger body. But seeing that Venom is already on this Hyperion body, I think it could work. It should work because Venom is on his body, so Venompool should be on his body as well, according to Hasbro standards. Personally, I think it should be on a Build-A-Figure. And I have also this hand form. So it's 2 open palm Venom hands, 2 open palm Carnage hands. Well, these are actually Toxin hands because they're bigger. And then 1 grip hand for a sword. And then the tongue. So that's all the accessories he comes with. If you want to make yourself a Venompool, all you really need is a Toxin for the body, an Angela sword, some sculpt for the tongue, and the hood in the back of his head. The belt is from Agent Venom, and the wristbands, if I'm not mistaken, come from Tombstone. And then the ankle bands come from Cyclops. So there's a lot of little pieces that come from different figures, but you can make them out of anything you want, or you can use any accessory you like to complete your Venompool, because the way you build them is totally up to you with your own accessories, and you can do it any way you want. But the main recipe is pretty much the toxin body. If you want to see Venompool next to some other Deadpool, regular Deadpool, Hasbro released a while ago from the X-Men wave. Missing a bunch of accessories. Kind of used them for other figures. Evil Deadpool, I no longer have him. Probably one of my favorite Deadpools beside Dreadpool. We'll zap in a bunch of other Deadpools just to line them up. But I want to leave you with this last Deadpool custom, because we're going to jump back into Spider-Verse, Venomverse. YouTube, if you like this video and you want to see more Spider-Man customs and some Deadpool customs in the future, feel free to like, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this Venompool and the rest of these Deadpools that we made. Which one is your favorite? Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more of this type of stuff. And click that notification bell if you want to see the content when it does upload so you don't miss anything. Stay tuned for more customs. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Sing, sing, sing. Everybody start to sing. La-dee-ah, whoa. Now you sing another sing. Sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing. La-dee-ah, whoa. Now you sing another sing.
Now wait a minute, hater, why you always come round watching somebody video only to give a thumb down on YouTube? Top of the morning until the sundown, trolling every account. I noticed there's always one clown. Look, I just want to make videos for the viewers. I know I'm not the coolest or slightly even the cutest.